Relocate to England as a support worker. This farm hospital is looking for support workers and they're offering visa sponsorship. The interesting part about this job is I was searching for farm worker jobs and it falls under the farm worker jobs category with visa sponsorship, and it's known as the Barrett and Chess Farm Hospitals in England. One might think that farm worker jobs involve working in the farm, but no, they are looking for dementia support workers. And if you are to search for this job using the search engine, healthcare assistant jobs with visa sponsorship, you might not find it because it's put under the farm worker jobs. I don't know whether it's a way of stopping a lot of people from applying, but I have stumbled upon the job and I'm sharing it with you. The link is in the description box, so go ahead and apply.